Move over, Sora and Kling. Once you try this text-to-video tool, you'll be asking yourself, how did I ever live without it? I've created all these videos using an unlimited free video generator. Don't say I didn't warn you. Skip this and you'll miss a lifetime of content creation power for free. Here's what you'll get. I'll share 50 of the most engaging and effective prompts you can use. What makes this tool stand out from other video generators? A hidden hack to remove watermarks for free and monetize your channel without copyright issues. Unlock the secret YouTubers hide. Prompts to master camera angles for stunning videos. Mamma mia, let the magic begin. Meet Minia Max, the powerhouse video generator that lets you effortlessly create stunning, high-quality videos. When you visit the website, you'll need to translate it into your local language as it's a Chinese-based site. Right-click and choose Translate to English. Select the second option. To go directly to the video generation page, simply enter your prompt. Click Generate Video, and your video will be ready in minutes. Check out the tabs below to see your generated content or featured videos. You can also explore their prompts for inspiration or use them directly for your project. Check out this video I created. It's eye-catching and unique. If you enjoyed it, subscribe as the character suggests and share your thoughts in the comments as the cute puppy requests. It's notable for its error-free text generation in videos. I've included a free document in the description with 50 video prompts for you to explore. Let me show you 2 of my best creations. I spent a whole week experimenting with the prompts, so you don't have to spend time researching and perfecting them to create eye-catching videos. Enjoy experimenting and creating your own unique content. There are many tricks waiting for you. Skip them now and you might regret it later. Feeling creative? Try something like a Spider-Man sitting on a train gazing outside. Let's play it. If you're enjoying it, don't forget to like. Here's a trick that might make most YouTubers dislike me. Prompt creation to make your videos stand out from the rest. Use prompts like panoramic view of a landscape or soft sunset lighting can add a cinematic touch. Try movement cues like camera slowly zooms in or focus shifts to the background to make your videos more dynamic and engaging. This video clearly demonstrates why this tool is the best. By now, you've likely noticed the watermark on each video. Here's how to remove it for free and use the content like a pro. Visit the website linked in the description. Click on Open File and upload your file. Select the area where you want to remove the watermark. Click Apply, then Save, followed by Export, and finally Save. While I'm here, you don't need to worry, Just open your browser in incognito mode to remove watermarks from videos as often as you like. That's it. Simple and straightforward. If you run into any issues, just drop a comment and I'll be happy to help.